All right, let's make a healthy pumpkin spice latte. I like mine hot. You can make it cold if you'd like. Don't use a stove, but if you like it hot like me, turn on your stove, and then we're gonna have 1 cup of, this is cashew milk, but you can use any milk you'd like. Put that in. 2 tablespoons of pumpkin puree. And then 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And we're just gonna whisk that together. You're gonna let that heat up for a little while and then start making your coffee. So I'm gonna use an espresso machine, but you don't have to do that. You can use just instant coffee or drip coffee, any kind of coffee you want. Get back in here. So the holidays, and especially Halloween, is all about bad food, tons of sugar, and lots of binging. And this is one of the ways you can navigate the holiday seasons and still enjoy it, still participate in the festivities, but keep the sugar down and continue being on track with your health and fitness goals. All right, that was a long time. This machine takes a while. All right, so your milk should probably be ready to go in your pot here. You're gonna turn that off, and let's mix it in with the coffee. Woo! I know if you're from the UK, you're probably thinking, that's a big cup of coffee. It's like soup. And I know, it's huge. This is a huge cup of coffee. So if you're from the UK or anywhere else where they drink tiny cups of coffee, take all these ingredients and just cut them in half and make them towards your proportion. On the other hand, I'm gonna drink my healthy pumpkin spice latte soup and be on the way. All right, so now that we've got this in the mug, you wanna sweeten it as much as you want. I'm gonna say packet of stevia is max, but I'm gonna go like little by little, mix it in. See if I like it. Nope, I'm gonna put that whole packet. I think this requires the whole packet. Put the whole packet in. Maybe put 2 packets. Okay. Don't forget what makes it pumpkin spice. Cinnamon, cloves, ginger, and nutmeg. So top it off, give it a shake, and happy pumpkining. And check back later for more recipes. And cut.